So a huge part of what I do is leveraging AI for content. And so what I liked about the class, I think, is that, the AI first approach. And I think that's a line of thinking that, you guys emphasize, which I think is appropriate because there's so many things that we may be doing that AI can be helpful in that we're not really, aware or looking for opportunities to leverage AI. I also enjoyed the fact that we explored several tools in the same domain because there's a lot going on with AI and everybody's bombarded with tools, and everywhere you turn somebody's sharing a new tool with you, and I think it becomes an overwhelm and some sort of paralysis. And I think that to the extent that you can come to a place like this where you can get a starting point on a few tools to play around with, I think is key because that becomes the intimidation factor. Because someone's like, okay, I want to do video, but there's a gazillion tools out there. Where can I start and get comfortable? So I think that was really helpful. I think one feedback will be um, in terms of use cases. There are so many that is hard to cover in a class like this, but providing a list of different opportunities that we can take with us and say, hey, these are some of the areas that people are using this particular tool in and what they're doing with it. And so that way we can learn the core things here and then get different use cases to take back and play around with in our own time. So that will be helpful.